Welcome! In front of me I have Emporio Armani connected, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your watch, or rather from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Wear OS application. Once the devices are paired together, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Wear OS application to send the notifications to our watch. To do it, we can do two things. We can either enable or rather allow the permissions via the settings, or we can simply open the Wear OS app, and there the app will inform us that we need to allow required permissions, and we can do it through the application. Basically, it will redirect us to the pages. So let's open the Wear OS application, and as you can see here we have the message that the application requires notification access to send the notifications to our watch. Then we can tap on turn on watch notifications, tap on allow, and this will enable the notification access. If you're not sure that the notification access is enabled, you can simply open the settings on your phone, and on default or stuck Android, you can tap on search and type in notification access. And it should basically detect the option right here, and you could tap on it and see. But this is the Realme phone, so it's hidden under different names. So we need to go back to the settings. I believe we need to find the option called app access, so special app access, I believe. So it's gonna be right here in apps, special app access, and there we have the device and app notifications. And if you tap on it right here, you have the list of notification access. And as you can see, the Wear OS by Google is allowed, but if it's not, you can tap on it and tap on this switch right here to allow it. Okay, so once you allow the notification access, you can also allow the permission for different permissions like calls and stuff like that, if you want to receive the notifications about calls, messages and stuff like that. And if the app doesn't prompt you about them, as you can see here, it does prompt us about the location. We can tap on turn on location, tap on the switch, and when we go to back to the app, it will tell us about more permissions. So you can keep basically allowing the permission, going back to the app, and it's gonna tell you about missing permissions. You can tap on allow, and you can just keep allowing the permissions. And once you're done and you don't have any error messages right here in the app, you should be good. And now we can scroll down through this page, find the option called notifications, tap on it, and here we have two options: silence phone while wearing the watch and change watch notifications. If you tap on the first option, here we can basically enable the options to silence the phone when you're wearing the watch. So if you have incoming call on your phone and you're wearing the watch, the call on the phone will be silenced, and you can enable this option. And the same for the notifications from apps. Okay, and the second option, change watch notifications. Here basically you cannot customize from which apps you want to receive the notifications on your watch, and you can enable them or disable them by tapping on the switch next to the app. Okay, so customize it to your liking, and once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we have the notification on our phone, and we should have it on our watch. So let's open the notification menu, and as you can see, here it is. And we can tap on it to read it. We can tap on mark as read to mark it as read. Basically, we can reply to it. We can also clear it by swiping right on it, or we can tap on clear all like this. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.